To convert a Figma design to HTML and CSS, follow these steps. Inspect the design. Analyze the Figma design to identify the structure, layout, and styling elements. Take note of colors, fonts, spacing, and dimensions. Export assets. Export images, icons, and other assets used in the design as separate files for inclusion in the HTML and CSS. Create HTML structure. Based on the design, create the HTML structure using semantic markup. Use tags like header, nav, section, article, footer, and div to represent different parts of the layout. Style with CSS. Write CSS rules to style the HTML elements according to the design. Use classes and IDs to target specific elements and apply colors, typography, spacing, borders, and other visual properties. Responsive design. Implement responsive design techniques using media queries to ensure the layout adapts to different screen sizes and devices. Positioning and layout. Use CSS layout techniques such as Flexbox or CSS Grid to position elements and create the desired layout. Test and iterate. Test the HTML and CSS in different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility and responsiveness. Make adjustments as needed based on testing feedback. Optimize. Optimize the HTML and CSS code for performance by minifying and concatenating files, optimizing images, and reducing unnecessary code.